Now y'all just want to fight. Real smart girl shit. It's my computer battery, y'all. She in there. Yeah. Also, on tonight's menu for me and my man, Rasta Pasta with salmon, of course. Gotta have that protein. All right, y'all, I forgot to mention. Well, I didn't forget to mention anything. I didn't begin. But I got the noodles boiling. I'm making the marinade for the salmon right now. I put some seasoning, salt, and pepper in there. You want to use the jerk. And of course you could add other seasonings as well. All right, we got the salmon marinating in the bag. Only if y'all could smell my kitchen right now. So I got, I cut up some yellow bell pepper, half of a yellow onion, and some garlic. And it's all in the pot cooking down now. All right, y'all, we have a little change of path, but we're still on the same path, just branched off a little. Now we're making some jerk mushrooms because I want to put mushrooms in it. My man don't want no mushrooms. So we're making jerk mushrooms. We're just going to put those in after we put the salmon. Those will go in last, like on top of the already made Rasta Pasta. All right, now I done marinated my mushrooms. I got them marinating in the bag. All right, y'all, so now I added the cream, the heavy cream, and some seasonings. Some mustard powder, seasoning salt, pepper, lemon pepper, and herb seasoning. So, and the jerk seasoning also, and some chicken broth. So we're gonna let this cook. All right, y'all, I added the noodles to the sauce. It's literally so delicious. And I put the salmon in the pan. So we cooking. All right, y'all, now I'm adding my salmon to the pasta, and then I'm gonna put the mushrooms in the pan, and I'm not gonna clean the pan because I want all that seasoning and everything from the salmon. All right, y'all, I got the mushrooms cooking in the pan, salmon mixed into the pasta, so now I'm just waiting for that and put that in the pasta when it's done. All right, y'all, it's finished. The jerk, well, Rasta pasta with salmon and mushrooms. Very delicious. And just like that, good night, y'all.